Okay, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. This is the battle between De La Salle Isabel versus the Xavier School Valley. Bro, tumataas ano mo? And this is the 2015 under sa ating Paya Basketball League 2025. And the first ball mapupunta sa De La Salle Isabel. And out of bounds. Di mo natanong? Di mo natanong? Di mo natanong? Meron sila sa kabila eh. Meron sila sa kabila. Wala. Tapos na. Sir. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. De La Salle Isabel ball, number 12, no good. Good. Number 16, wala. Ay na, si Castro, nabitawan. Sa kanilang big man, number 55. Using the glass, no good. Take a shot, no good. Number 11. Number 2, pass number 55, fake, running shot, and the first basket by jersey number 55. Sige po. Dila. It's okay. Here we go. Here are the Xavier. Number 14, steal by Castro. All the way, no good. He missed the first shot. Oopsie, out of bounds. Xavier School Basketball. Pass number 16. Kick out to number 14. A floater. Yes, sir. Apa? Castro setting on the play. Pass number 12. Nabitawan. Number 14. Oopsie. Ay, hello, ma'am. Castro, no good. That's a jump shot, no good. Pass number 55. All screen. Oopsie, steal. And that's a jump ball. Ay, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you po. Congrats po. Apo. Diweng, kapatid. Thank you po. God bless po. Basket is good. Here we go. Let's go, Xavier. Kick shot, no good. Rebound by number 22. There we go. Sal steal. Number 16. And there's a foul. Number 2. On the free throw area, jersey number 16. Steal again by Xavier. What an extra pass. Kick out, no good. Offensive rebound, number 16, no good. There we go. What a hustle by number 14 to number 11 to number 18. Running shot short. Rebound by Castro. Oh, correction. That's number 2 to Castro. Castro using the glass, and the basket is good para kay Castro. munti ka na magawan. Here we go. Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ay ng De La Salle Zubel. Number 55, pass to Castro from the corner, in and out. Rebound by Castro. Pass to number 11. Number 55. To number 11. No good. To number 11. Running shot. No good. Number 30. That's the corner basket. Timeout. Xavier School. Tingnan natin ang hadal ng Xavier. Hi, thank you. Ayan, shoutout po sa ating partner dito sa courtside. Ayan, si Kagawad Rudy Alfonso with my courtside. Habang hinintay natin ang susunod na laban. There we go. Mula rito ng De La Salle Zubel. Oh, what a steal. Number 14. That's a jump ball. Number 14, running shot, no good. Okay, sige lang. Number 17 to number 22. Foul. The shots para jersey number 23. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound, out of bounds. Ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 11, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng De La Salle Zubel. There we go. Let's go, Xavier. Nabitawan. We're still there. By number 19. Another steal. Naka-recover. Number 55 to number 11. And there's a foul. And that's another jersey number 30. First personal foul, a third team foul for Xavier. Shooting the line, number 11. Basket. Time remaining, last 40 seconds. Second shot, no good. Rebound there by Xavier. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Behind the back, pass to number 29 to number 18. Bigay kay number 30, libre. Number 29, finding all mine. By jersey number 29. Basket is good para kay number 29. Oh! Good hustle para sa Xavier. Time remaining, last 15 seconds. Oh, another steal. Outlet pass. Stop and pop. Short rebound. Number 14, too strong. Number 21, 9. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score, it's 9-6 in favor pa rin. Correction, that is a 9-5 in favor pa rin sa De La Salle Zobel. And partner, mamaya ano tayo? Alright, second quarter tayo. 9-5, 4-point lead para sa De La Salle Zobel. Shout out to all the parents na kasama natin sa ating venue na napaka-supportive with the green and the yellow shirt. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Here we go. Second quarter tayo. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zobel. Second quarter. Let's go. Pass number 19. Number 98. And there's a foul. Yup. Sige. Number 14. And that's a jump ball. Xavier to number 12. Number 14 is short. Still there. Ayun na si number 19. Derecho all the way. Basket. Ay, just number 19. Another steal para sa De La Salle. Number 19. What extra pass. Binunggo pa. That's a traveling violation. Hey, what's up, brother? Yo, good luck, good luck. Back to the ball game. Running shot, no good. Pass number 98, and that's a traveling violation. Another steal, block there. Pass number 17. Get the shot, basket. Oh, another steal by number 98. Out of bounds. Number 11. Pass number 18 to number 16. Binunggo. What a nice defense para sa Lasal. Oh, out of bounds. Same ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Block. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 11. No good. Second shot, wala. Lane violation. Lasal Zobel basketball. Castro setting on the play. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Steal by number 12. Bad pass. Number 2, pass to, jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound, number 2, wala. Outlet pass, number 14, basket. Castro, may tangan na bola. Pass number 17, jump shot, no good. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Lasal. Number 22. Kick out. Line. 15-7. Let's go, Xavier. Habol pa. Kaya pa yan. Here we go. Pass number 18. Fake. And nasa loob. Number 16. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 16. Oh, good. Official score po natin, ha? Corrections, 15-8. Second, that is good. 15-9. Castro, pass the corner to number 17. Pinigay, stop and pump, basket. There we go. Ayan na ang Xavier. Number 18, umatake, wala. Rebound by Castro, outlet pass. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 23, oh, too strong. Rebound ng Xavier. Outlet pass, number 16. Wala. Rebound by number 37. Ayan na. Number 23. More block. Oh, another block. Good defense para sa Xavier. Ayan na. Number 11. Oh, bad pass. Steal by Castro. Pass sa number 23. Yes, sir. Nakakabawi ang Lasal doon. 19-9. Pass number 14. Bounce pass to number 16. Uy! Nagalangan. Grabe, mahusay ang paggamit ng katawan doon ni number 16. Ay na, double team. Nakalusot si number 21. Pass to number 19. To number 22. Wala. Pass to number 23. Kick out. Castro. Pass to number 23. Uy. There's a foul. Time remaining. Last 3 minutes tayo. On the free throw area, jersey number 23. Oh, wala pa daw pong penalty. Bola ng Lasal. Ayan na. Fake. Lumira, wala. Number 37. Wala pa rin. Rebound na dito ng Xavier. Ayan na. Number 14. Steal by Castro. Steal again. Basket para kay number 11. Ayan na po. Humahabol na ang Xavier School No Valley. Ayan na ang double team. Makukuha ni Castro. Castro umatake. Whoa, what a move. What a side step para kay Castro. Time out dito ang Xavier. Grabe ang move doon ni Castro na iwanan yung kalaban. Suabing-suabe lang. Shoutout po kay Sir Lavin. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Xavier No Valley. May ganito ha. May gamit ko. Back to the ball game. Official score 21-13 with the time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola rito ng Xavier. Naitawid. What a pass. Kick a shot. No good. Rebound number 16. Good pa yan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Xavier. Last 2 minutes tayo sa second quarter. 29. There's a foul. Ng Lasal. Ayan na si number 24. Oh, what a steal by number 14. Yun lang, last touch. Time out ulit tayo. Ang Lasal, Zubel. Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Lasal. Castro. Crossover. Pass number 30. Running shot, no good. Kick out. Make a shot, no good. Oopsie, out of bounds. Bola rito ng Xavier. Number 16, what an extra pass, no good. Rebound by number 16. And out of bounds. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line. Basket. Official score 15-21 po. According po yan sa ating official. Number 30 pass number 23 to number 22. Short. Zero, bounce pass, fake, running shot, out of bounds. Number 14 and gets the foul. Okay, end of the first half. Official score 21-15. balik po tayo para sa ating third quarter. Kakat ko po muna po ha. For the meantime, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.